Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This video is going to be called Intersect with a Twist or to the Max, Part 2. I just put out a video recently on this same thing. I used a different subject matter, but I had somebody state in the memo of the video that it was hard to understand, and then just today somebody else agreed and then made a comment that it was hard to understand the process. So one, you've got three items and they're in order. If I go up to effects and order and back a page, well, the yellow's there, and let's put the yellow in the back of the page. So now I've got this disk in the very back of the page. Well, we've got to remove the white, like in the previous video. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to go to object. I've got them grouped together. So I'm going to ungroup them, and then I'm going to take the white and make the white disappear. I'm going to go here, group and ungroup and take the white away. As a laser engraver, we can't use white. As a graphic designer, and I should speak because I don't know, a lot of them use white to do the exact same thing I'm talking about, is to make them appear in front of each other. So this is what we need to do. If we want these to look like they're in front of each other, this piece cannot be in front of this piece. So we're going to set our nudge factor on 20. We're going to move that out of the way. We're going to make, and I do the exact same thing in the video, we're going to use blue to make this shape and then move it over there, selecting both these, and then go to intersect, and the new shape is intersect inside there, and then we can move it back. So now it appears that it's behind this red disc. Now we're going to do that one more time, and we're going to move this one, and we'll get this shape and move it over. And this is probably a better example than I had the other day. But there you go. Now, if this one is truly in front, and then, so probably the best thing to do would be to nudge this one out of the way, get your virtual segment delete key, and delete all these lines. That way, this one is definitely in front, because you can't see the disc. Now you just need to decide this one is evidently in front of this one because it's mimicking that, so we can just take that away. Well, I need to take the other one away. So now that disc is in front of this disc. So they're stacked in order. I must have made a little foobar there because that's not right. Maybe I should have removed the rings at first. Let's move this back over. There we go. And then let's fill this in with the Smart Fill tool after you move the rings. Well, that's wrong. You need to nudge the X out of the way and then make your Smart Fill, and then take both of them and go to intersect. And now it truly looks like this one is in front of the page. If it was coins and you had coins stacked up, this one's setting on the table, it's on the bottom. Then this coin is above it and that coin's next to it or on top. That's what I was trying to explain, and I really don't feel like I did a better job, but hopefully I did. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.